Everybody loves to eat, so I decided to share a recipe that I know you will surely enjoy. Buffalo wings. Here are our cooking tools. A knife to cut it into serving sizes, a strainer for us to wash our chicken in running water, a tongue and a cooking pan to fry our chicken, and a spatula and saucepan to cook our sauce. The first rule of food handling is to ensure that our hands are properly cleaned. Wet hands and add 1 pump of hand soap. Take time to wash your hands palm to palm, finger interlaced and finger interlock. Don't forget our thumbs and the tip of our fingers. Rinse with running water. Our ingredients include 1 kilo of chicken wings. Wash the chicken in running water, drain, and prepare for marination. Then, prepare the marinade mix by mixing 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of Calamansi Fruit extract. Using your hand, coat the chicken with the marinade mix. Leave the chicken to marinate for 1 hour. While the chicken is marinating, we need to prepare our breading mix. The breading mix contains 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix them together using a spatula. Fill the frying pan with cooking oil. Wait for a couple minutes until it's hot. While waiting, get the marinated chicken and one by one, roll it onto the breading mix. Fry until golden brown. Remove the cooked chicken and place it on a plate with paper towel to remove excess oil. Now we prepare the buffalo sauce. The buffalo sauce has 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of chili sauce, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Let it simmer for 5 minutes and add the fried chicken. Make sure that each chicken is coated with the delicious buffalo sauce. Then garnish with onion. And there you have it, easy, affordable, and delicious buffalo wings.